Hello and welcome back to Skirosoft. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add transitions in HitFilm Express. So let's get started. At first, open HitFilm Express and import your video clips by clicking Import in the Media panel or dragging your files directly into the software. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. This is where you will apply transitions between the clips. Navigate to the Effects panel and find the Transitions folder. Here you will discover various transition options to enhance the flow between your video clips. Select the desired transition effect. Drag it between two adjacent clips on the timeline and drop it onto the cut point. You will see the transition applied between the clips. To adjust the duration of the transition, click on the transition icon on the timeline. Drag its edges to increase or decrease the length of the transition effect. Preview your video to see how the transitions look between the clips. If needed, fine-tune the transitions by modifying their duration or trying different effects. Once you are satisfied with your video and transition, then export your project. Okay, that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skirosoft. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.